When it comes to protecting your car, you need a reliable dash cam that works in any situation, from low light to extreme temperatures. Introducing the Blackvue DR750X series Full HD dash cam. Available in single and dual channel versions. Equipped with a Sony Starvis sensor and recording capabilities up to 60 frames per second, you can rest easy knowing that you're capturing high quality footage, even in low light and fast moving situations. Your car needs protection while you're away. That's why the DR750X features built-in voltage monitoring, so you can hardwire your dash cam and enjoy the benefits of parking mode without draining your battery. Staying connected with your dash cam is easier than ever before. Simply pair a mobile hotspot or plug in an optional LTE module for easy cloud connectivity. Blackvue DR750X series dash cam. Reliable and connected. Find yours at blackvue.com.
When it comes to the art of stealth, no one has mastered it better than the Rove Stealth 4K Pro Dash Camera, your 24/7 secure car monitor. With an OmniVision CMOS sensor, this ultra-high-definition dashboard camera captures a 150-degree field of view with improved picture quality for evening driving. It also offers optional rear camera support to ensure there are no blind spots when it comes to safeguarding your car at all times. Any impact on your vehicle will activate the G sensor level, which in turn turns the camera on. The recorded shots are then locked and saved with a voice alert notifying you of the occurrence of a collision or vicious scratch. And with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity for instant video access through the Rove Stealth 4K app, thereby adding a fresh twist to responsibility and accountability. With 4K Ultra HD video resolution and added image distortion correction algorithm, you can always get perfectly clear shots. The H.265 encoding technology affords seamless loop recording, even as the camera supports up to a 512GB micro SD card. What's more, a personalized experience is further facilitated by the voice guidance feature. The time is now to transform your driving. Get the Rove Stealth 4K Pro Dash Camera and make everything visible.
The open road is a place of freedom, of new opportunities, a way of life. But with that freedom comes a degree of uncertainty, and drivers can use all the protection they can get. Introducing the new SC Smart Dashcam series from Cobra. With advanced features like high-definition recording, enhanced night vision, and cloud video management that allows you to store, edit, and share footage from anywhere. SC dashcams are ideal for anyone with a desire to drive smarter and safer. They're always looking out for the driver, on the road ahead, behind the vehicle, and even inside the cabin. Built-in G sensors protect footage automatically before, during, and after emergencies to ease the process of insurance claims. And the Mayday notification lets you send an alert to an emergency contact in the event of an accident. The SC201 even offers an infrared LED interior camera for enhanced nighttime video. Plus, with the Drive Smarter app, drivers will have peace of mind with unprecedented control over their experience on and off the road. And connection to the Cobra community of drivers gives you access to more than 100 million real-time alerts of red light cameras, speed traps, and more. With an SC dashcam from Cobra on your dash, your vehicle becomes smarter. You'll drive smarter, and it'll help keep you and your loved ones safer on the road. Visit cobra.com/dashcams to learn more and start driving smarter today.
Hey guys, my name is Aiden from ThinkWARE Dash Cams, and today I'm excited to be unboxing the X700 DG for you guys today. This is the X700 main unit. The X700 is equipped with a Sony Starvis image sensor for sharp day and low light recordings. An Ambarella A12 processor powers the X700. Here we have the 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen that is only available on the X700. You can change the settings and review videos all in the touchscreen. Now let's unbox the rest of the X700 DG bundle. So the first thing in the box is the X700 main unit itself. And let's take out all the accessories as well. Quick start guide and the warranty information. The 3M adhesive mount. We have the wire clips. We also have the external GPS, cigarette lighter power connector, rear camera. We have the rear camera cable, the micro SD card and the SD card reader, and some extra adhesive if you decide to remove the mount. Thanks for watching, guys. The X700 is available in the link in the description below.
This is life. And accidents happen. This is the Rexing V1P dash camera, your roadside eyewitness. Capture vehicular events to use as evidence when you need it. V1P simultaneously records from both the front and rear cameras. The front camera captures video in full HD resolution and at 30 frames per second. With ultra-wide-angle lenses, V1P captures more than what your eye sees. V1P provides clear visibility of the light and dark areas in your videos because it auto-adjusts the exposure settings as needed. Capture clear videos even at night. Built-in Wi-Fi enables you to view, save, and share your videos wirelessly on your mobile device with the Rexing Connect app. V1P is powered by a supercapacitor, a premium alternative to the lithium-ion battery, and it features an enhanced temperature resistance to hot and cold climates. V1P automatically starts recording when any shaking or movement is detected, even when your car is parked. When the gravity sensor detects collision, it automatically locks your video to prevent overwriting. Never drive without an eyewitness. Rexing V1P. Engineered for quality. Designed for reliability.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.